Hello everyone, I'm Xiansheng Math, and in this video we're going to look at data and variation in data. Variation is how things change or are different from one another. So let's say we wanted to, let's say these are prices of ice cream in dollars in Los Angeles and in New York. And let's say we wanted to compare the price of ice cream in Los Angeles to the price of ice cream in New York. And then let's say we asked 5 different places in Los Angeles how much ice cream is, and they told us 5, one told us 7, one told us 8, one told us 9, one told us 11. I already put these numbers in order from least to greatest. And then maybe we went to New York, or someone else helping us was in New York asking, and was told the price for ice cream is, in one place is $2, another place $3, another place $8, $12, and $15. So let's say we wanted to share this data with someone without telling them everything. What could we tell that person? Well, the numbers are in order from least to greatest, so we can see that if we cross out the ones at the end and then cross these at the end, 8 is in the middle. And we see that happens also here in New York. Cross the ones on the end, these, and then 8's in the middle. So the median for New York is 8, and the median for Los Angeles is 8. Okay, well so that doesn't tell us really any difference, although it looks like there's a difference here. So let's find the mean of this data. So I always like to add the easy numbers first. 9 and 11 makes 20. 5 and 7 make 12. 12 and 8 make 20. 12 plus 8 is 20. So these add up to 20. These add up to 20. 20 plus 20 is 40. So the mean is sharing equally in a sense. So we add up all our data, we divide by how many data points? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the mean here is 8. And I was using the wrong color, I guess, since I made this side black and this side blue. Let's see what the mean is here. Well, let's see, what are the easy numbers to add up? Well, 8 and 12, 8 and 2 make 10, so 8 and 12 make 20. And then 2 and 3 make 5. 5 and 5 make 10, so 5 and 15 make 20. And so we have 20 and 20. So the sum of all the data is 40. And we divide by how many there are, which is 5. 40 divided by 5 is 8. And so we see the mean in New York is also 8. So if we were to compare them, well, the mean in LA is 8, the mean in New York is 8. You expect to spend $8 on average in either of the two towns. The median's also 8, the middle value, and there's no value that appears the most, so there is no mode. Okay, so the mean and median really are not giving us any way to distinguish the prices of ice cream in LA and New York. Okay, so I'm stopping this as part 1 of the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll do the second part in just a second, and then we will look at what is different about these two data sets and about really what variation in data means. Thank you for watching. Please press like and subscribe, and 再见.